Hey everybody, it's Robert from Tallguysrc. I thought I would do a video to show you how to set up the reversed thrust on the brand new E-flite Turbo Timber Evolution. I'm going to assume that you guys have already bought the plane, you've already bound it to your radio. I'm going to show you how to get into a magic menu on your NX8 radio, and this also works with the 6 and the 10 and also the new IX radios also. There's a hidden menu that is part of the telemetry menu on your radio that you need to get into to actually set up the thrust reversing. So let me show you how to do that. So what you're going to do is turn on your radio, and as you can see here, I've already bound my radio to my plane and I've labeled it as the Turbo Timber 1.5. Everything is fine on here. So the first thing you're going to do before you plug in the battery is, to make this whole thing work, is make sure, and this is for safety, make sure your throttle cut is on. You don't want your prop moving. And then also, because this radio has safe select and it has safe select off and just AX3, make sure your AX3 and your safe select button turn safe off. And for me, that's my A switch, so I'm going to push my A switch forward so the safe is off and it's just in AX3X. And then what we're going to do is we're going to plug in the battery. And when you plug in the battery, you're going to let it cycle here. Now, once everything has cycled, you're going to grab your scroller wheel and you're going to roll over on your scroller wheel into the telemetry menu, and you're going to notice you have a new menu. And here's the menu that you don't normally have, and this is the Avian Programming menu, and this is actually how you will set up the thrust reversing. So what you're going to do to get into this menu, and it tells you here, it says there's a couple things. It says step 1 is to hold the elevator down until it goes into menu number 2. And now it says step 2 is to do right aileron, or just hold it to the right bottom right corner, and then it'll go into the menu. Okay, so now you'll notice I have a menu, and this is where all the magic happens. The first thing it says on here is flight mode, and this is a plane, so it should be at fixed wing. And then to actually move the menu down, you're going to just pull the right stick down. And now it says brake type is reversed. Brake force, you want to put it 7. You're going to leave the cutoff type to surge SW. You're going to, on your lipos, leave it in auto calculate, so it'll auto sense what battery you have in there. Cutoff volume is at cutoff volts is at 3.4 volts. BEC voltage is at 6.0 volts. The startup is at soft. The timing is at 15 pulls. The motor rotation, the normal motor rotation on this is counterclockwise. The active FW is disabled. The governor game is at level 1. The AR time is at 45 seconds. The restart cell is at 1.5. And then here's where the magic happens. You'll notice here it says thrust reversed. It says thrust reversal. So what you want to do to enter this menu, or to enter any menu in here, is you're going to take the right stick and you're going to move it to the right. And you'll notice here, this is where you change your channel. And mine is set up on channel number 7, so we're going to just go over to 7 because that's where I've set it. And then we're going to go down. And then you see it says exit with/save. You want to actually save all these settings, and to save it to the ESC, you're going to right stick over. And you heard the ESC, it's rebooting, so everything's being saved. And then you actually have all your settings here. And then what you're going to do is you're going to go back on your radio, to the beginning. And then what you're going to do is you're going to disconnect the battery and you're going to start the whole process over just to make sure everything's working here. And again, what I'm doing is when I turn this on, I'm not touching any of the buttons on my radio. I'm just going to leave it the way it is. Okay, so my throttle cut is still off. My plane is actually in just AX3 mode here. Switch A is forward. I'll switch it back to safe. Everything's working right. There should not be any throttle because my throttle cut is on here. So what we're going to do is we're going to take it out of throttle cut. Hold the plane just in case something strange happens. And now when I throw the throttle forward, as you can see here, the plane's trying to go forward. So that's right. But now if I flip my channel 7 switch here forward, and I'll hold the plane again just in case something stupid happens. Now when I do my throttle, you'll notice the plane wants to go backwards. So I have on my switch here, if I have it forward, the throttle works normal. But when I flip it back, it goes reverse. So the reverse thrust is working, and that is how you do it. If you have any questions or you need help with this process, please post those comments in the section below and I'll try to help you walk through this. So, hey guys, thanks for watching the video. If you have not subscribed, hit the little subscribe button below. And for those of you on mobile devices, hit the little bell notification so you will be notified when I upload content like this weekly. I've been pumping out a lot of the shorts videos on my YouTube channel. My Instagram channel is really blowing up. I'm almost to 9,000 followers. And I want to thank everybody for that. I'm probably going to hit 10,000, before the end of the year. So that's my goal. I'm trying to get my Instagram page to 10,000 followers. So guys, thanks for everything that you do. Thanks for following me with this little journey of mine and my hobby stuff, and more videos like this coming soon. This is Robert and we're signing out. Have a great night, guys. Peace.